Yeah, I want to top up my account. As you can see, there is a $50 that I just added to my account. I had a 51 USD that I added already. Okay, how do I go about it? I go here. Let me go back. As you can see, far to my left corner, far left corner, I click there. Then I go on trading. Right, let it load. I'll go in trading. As you can see, account balance, that is the amount that is there. Now as you can see here, interest balance, Kirpich balance, and then I'll go with the amount that is there, and then I'll put the money. It's already in my interest balance. Sometimes it will be on Kirpich wallet. So now I have to go here, and then I'll put the balance that is there, 59, and then here you select future trading, not spot trading, it's future trading. As you can see, it's future trading, and then I'll just click, what is this? Active bot. I hope you are getting me. Let's go back. Okay, you go on your trading, okay, and then you scroll down, you go on Kirpich wallet or on interest, it depends on where it is. Now you put the balance that you want to put. Either you put maximum, it's up to you, and then now you select here future trading or spot trading. Select future trading, and then you say active bot. You say active bot. It's telling me I need to put 49 only. Okay, active bot. Okay, like that I'm done. Now I'll go back. Now as you can see, it's already now starting to, what is this, to trade. So $100 I'll be getting $3 every day, $3 every day, which is how much to my Namibian currency, 3 multiplied by 19. So every day I'll be getting 57 Namibian dollars. Every day it's a 57 Namibian dollars, which means in 2 days I'm already having my 100 Namibian dollars. So imagine 100 times 10. In 10 days I'm already, not 10 days, I mean in 10 days I'm already having my 570 Namibian dollars, just by this amount that you can see, $100. So that's all. That nothing that I have to do here, just me to check what is happening, just me to log in here and there, just to check my balance. That's all that I have to do. Nothing much, nothing less. The robot is the one doing everything for me, whilst me, I'm just relaxing. Okay, thank you.